This is Panacham here. Welcome to the channel. So today we'll be covering the micro count, that the potential immediate short-term move that I'm expecting that's going to happen on Bitcoin based on Elliot wave. So let's get into it. Before that, I would like you all to take a look at the daily time frame that we have a resistance at this level as I draw on the line. So I'm going to show you in a bit on a smaller time frame right now. Let's get into it and let's take a look what's going on. So I've talked about on my last channel that there's a potential that we have a five-way down leading diagonal threatening to go to the downside in the longer run. But for now, when there is a five-wave down, we are expecting a three-wave up before the next move for the bear to take control on. Okay, but now whatever that is, let's just focus a little bit on this smaller move right now that I'm expecting for it to be an expanded flat to the upside. For the bulls, this move here right here actually can be like a 1-2-1-2 and continuation to the outside. They have to take in control really soon. If not, this might just end up rolling over and becoming a fifth wave down, making potential that this could be a leading diagonal to the downside again. But it doesn't mean that we wouldn't go for a three-wave pullback just yet. Okay, so even though we have a potential leading diagonal to the downside, we still need that pullback that we mentioned. Okay, in furthermore for that, I would like to share with y'all about the CME gap that we still have that hasn't yet to get filled. So how would it be filled? I have no idea, but definitely I'm watching it through, thinking that hey, there is potential that we might just get filled right there. So immediate short term, I'm hoping that this is a potential 1-2-1-2 and then 3-4-5 and then another like that. Okay, so this is the C wave that I'm expecting for the up move in the immediate short term. So another bullish scenario is when bull decided they want to go a little bit further up. They might just do a little bit something like this, do a little bit small retracement and end up moving us forward to 135k. For me, for this blue scenario to actually happen, it's kind of really hard for me to accept it, because on my previous video I talked about the evidence of this has already topped up, that we're just expecting a three-wave up move before the continuation to the downside. Okay, so yeah, I don't expect much from Bitcoin right now. Everything I chart is going to be all bearish, all right? But definitely I'm looking at the CME gap that, how will it get filled? So there is a potential that it might not get filled at all as well. So there is history saying that previously on other time frame, there is a gap here, it's already being filled. There is history that's saying that it might not just get filled anyway. Okay, for example, we have a gap right here at the bottom, 20k. I mean, seriously, will Bitcoin ever go back to 20k? That's a big question. All right, nonetheless, we're just gonna focus on the smaller time frame right now that I'm expecting either the bull, like I said, the bull follow up that this is a 1-2-1-2 to the upside, or it needs to follow up, or you can just roll over and get to the 1.272, which is 74k, and they need to hold this red line right here. So if the bull decided they don't want to hold this, the bull doesn't come in right now at this red line, then I suppose you can roll over even deeper and we might get to 50k really soon. So this is a resistant area I'll be watching. Everybody will be watching, and we definitely will get a little bit bounce from here. Okay, so yes, so in the immediate short term, I am slightly a little bit bullish, but for now, let's just wait and see how the market reveal itself to us. Okay, so at this point, spot long is the safest bet. All right, so everybody take care and make sure you follow and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.